Alright, here I am back in Germany once again. I'm about to head out into the forest to do some metal detecting with my Garrett Ace 150. Wish me luck! Alright, first hit of the day, and I got a nice old lead round. It's gonna be a good spot. Look at this little mini shell casing. What caliber weapon is that from? Predates the war, I would say. It's tiny. Can't read anything on the back. Cool. Wow, another musket ball. I think. Looks like it from this side. This side is totally destroyed. It must have been a hit. Nice. That's a decent piece of history right there. And another one. Unbelievable. Wow, I am on fire today. Another old round. Any ideas what date on this would be? It's later than a musket ball, that's for sure, but still pretty old. Early 1800s maybe? All right, let's keep going. There's plenty more out here, I'm sure. Here you can really see the evolution of the musket ball in these that I've found. They're all made of the same material, lead. The one on the far left is your standard musket ball. It's round and was fired from a smooth bored rifle, which means it just kind of shot out the end, not very straight, and it was not at all accurate. Then came the Minié ball, or mini ball. With their refined shape and added grooves, they worked in conjunction with the new rifled, or grooved barrels of the muzzle-loading rifles. It made the bullets spin really fast. It gave them what's called angular momentum. It's the same physics a gyroscope uses to act the way that it does. Really interesting. Some people even claim it was the invention of the Minié ball and the accuracy of the bullets that made the American Civil War as deadly as it was. Look at this beautiful old button. This was a good 5-6 inches deep, so I don't think it's from World War II. 18th, 19th century maybe. Cool. Another musket ball. Look at that. And they're all slightly different as well. Must be from different time periods. Awesome. And another one. Wow. These things are really fun to find. They give me a great signal, and they're all so different. I wonder what time period this was from. Any ideas? Alright, check this out. It was a good 6 inches deep, so I'm pretty certain it's quite old. Look at this. An old spoon. Fully intact. It's very lightweight metal. I don't think it's World War II. It was too deep. And they generally use square-shaped utensils. Wow. This is such a good spot. Alright, I think I got something pretty good here. Look at this. What is that? Some type of decoration to a chest or some furniture? I don't know. It looks old though. Don't think it's World War II. This could really be something. And there's more in this hole also. This little glass jar came out with it. So I took a stick in there to try and clean it out. And there's some weird material in there. It's almost like a clay. I think it is clay. Any ideas what that might be? Wow. And I'm getting another signal in there too. So let's dig that out and see what else we got in there. I have to put you away for a minute. Alright, I just pulled this bullet out of there too. This is quite old as well. Look at that. Wow, what a find. This is such a great area. Alright, let's keep it going. This is something different as well. It looks like a shell casing, but it's not. It was ringing up as a coin. It's super lightweight. Feels like nothing. Hollow all the way through, hole on the end. Any ideas what this might be? Don't know. I found a beautiful old bottle here. I don't know what it is. Over 200 ER, over 200 years. Falkenthal? I'm not sure. I'll have to ask my wife what that says. I'd like to think that it was really old because it says 1739 or something it looks like, but it was sitting right here on the surface and it has an aluminum top. So I think it's just some type of replica or anniversary bottle. I don't know, but I'm going to take it home because it's really cool. Look at the writing on that. Nice. Love old bottles. All right, what is it, guys? It's got some red color to it, giving me a good tone as a coin, but some type of metal container or something. Probably from the war. Doesn't look older than that, but it looks like it could be interesting. Let's dig that sucker out there and see what we got. Whew, that took quite a bit of work getting out of there. I got excited for a minute. I was thinking maybe this is some type of medieval pot full of treasure, but I don't know what it is. How old? It's from the war. I doubt it. Strange that it's out here in the middle of the forest buried, because no. Doesn't feel too old though. Heh. Interesting. All right, here's today's haul. Wow, what a hunt. This new area of forest that I found is awesome. There's just so much history in the dirt here. Look at all of these musket balls, all different shapes and sizes. Let's start here with this old spoon. I got really excited for this one. But now that I've gotten it home, I've realized it's aluminum. It feels really cheap. It's probably from World War II. These bits are from the war. A couple of bits of aluminum. This is some modern day trash. There isn't a lot of trash out in this forest because I'm in the middle of nowhere. But there is some hunters that come through, so it's probably from them. These are a few World War II shell casings that I found on the way in. This looks like it might be from the war as well. It screws on to something. These little mini shell casings, I believe these are older than World War II. Look how tiny they are. Pretty cool though. This is interesting. This is an old glass jar and it seems to be full with clay. I don't know what they would be using that for. Any ideas? And this piece, this is really awesome. This looks antique. I don't know what it is. It's the lock to something, maybe off a treasure chest or an old piece of furniture. I don't know. It's a nice design though. Gave me a great signal. I'm pretty sure it is antique. I'm going to keep this one. Beautiful. An old button. I believe this goes way back as well. Look at that. I can't say for sure what the date is. It could be from the war. I have a feeling it's older because it was with all these musket balls, but I'm not sure. And then the musket balls. Look at these. Wow. All different shapes, sizes. This rings up as a musket ball. I don't know if it is one or not. Probably went through a tree or maybe a human body. Who knows? These ones are cool as well. This one I didn't find like this. This is one of those mini shell casings, so I put it together because it looked as if it fit in there. I believe this was how it was originally. Anybody know what caliber weapon that is? This one is really cool as well. That's the first one I found. First hit of the day. Man, I got excited. I didn't think I'd find another one, but sure enough, I just kept turning up one after another. Look at all of these. Wow. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel to get notifications for all of my latest videos. Thanks for watching.
Ooh.